Welcome to the Young Trombone page. This is not necessarily for young people or kids, but this is for anyone who is just getting started out working with the trombone. Alright, so that looks backwards, so I might have to flip that in there. And that'd be a small bore horn, a 12C mouthpiece. I've not, other than like 10 minutes ago, last time I played on a 12C, 1991, 92 maybe. Otherwise, I've been playing on a large bore 5G. I've used the 5G with the megatone, which has the larger bore setup. And recently, the past 2 years, I switched to a wedge, which allows me to pop those lower pitches a little more consistently while still keeping the upper range. So let's see what I can do with a 5G for a horn that was just given me this morning to check out. I'm going to start with that. I think there's a leak. Tapping off right about there. All right. Not bad for a small bore, but I can actually get most of those on my large bore with the low notes. Man, my thumb is really wanting to do some trigger stuff now, but thanks for watching. Thank you for checking out my trombone tutorial page. I appreciate it and look forward to seeing you again next time.